Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up international money transfer in NAB. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up international money transfer, what you need before sending is your full name as on the bank account, bank name and bank branches, your account number or IBAN number, your SWIFT or BIC code of the bank, and recipient's address. Now in order to set up an international NAB internet banking transfer, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up the NAB banking application. Then simply tap on the login option at the bottom of the screen and log in with the credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply on your home screen tap on the transfer and pay option on the bottom of your screen. Then once inside transfer and pay, all you gotta do is select the account which you want to transfer the international money from. And once you have selected the account, here you find the option that says overseas. Simply tap on that. Then once you're inside here, all you gotta do is select international transfer and add recipient details and their SWIFT code as well. And once all that's done, give you all the details and confirm and authorize with SMS security. So these are a couple of steps on how to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.